Hey guys, Seb here, and today we're here at Batangas because it's beach day, and of course we're going to the beach. And I think first things first is we're gonna go boating, so we're gonna ride a boat, and yeah, I think we're gonna chill there and maybe go diving, swimming. I don't know. So yeah. Hello. Here's our room. Here's our bed, and it's kind of messy because we placed our things on top of our bed, and yeah, clean up our things before we go. So yeah, here is the balcony view. See, show you the ocean, the beach. I believe it's low tide right now, so I can see rocks. I don't know where we're going later. Maybe we're going there. I know, we'll see. Okay, now I think we're going to our boat, and it's gonna take a few minutes of walking. Low tide. Where is the boat? Almost there. Almost there. Rocky. Corally. On our way to the boat. Just be careful. Okay, we're here. My boots, water. There they go. There they go. Here we go.
Puro tayo kasi sakit ang biti ko.
Rated. Run, 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 run.
Can we take it off here?
I don't know, maybe we can. Remove the water. Drain your boots.
Ipinagasa ako. Ikaw na, hindi, syempre, tutulungan kita. Ayan.
What are those? What are those? We're gonna ride the jet ski. Ride the jet ski.
Bye-bye! To the cave exploration!
We're gonna check out the cavern. There's that cavern over there. We're gonna check that out. Exploration mode. Explorer mode. Let's see. Let's find an opening. It's not a cave, it's a cavern. Is it even a cavern? What is the difference between a cave and a cavern?
Kaloob yung
Cavern?
katulad ito.
Ah.
Wala ka, hindi ka makaka-enter. Walang entrance.
So here is the cavern. Is it a cavern?
I think.
Is this considered a cavern? Or just a rock formation? I think it's a cavern. We're done exploring now.
Selfie mo.
Are we done exploring? Lunchtime.
Sila ba? Sila kuya?
Lunchtime.
Sabog nga sa may picture na natin sa group natin. Ano ba yan? Group natin.
Okay, so we're back here. We're riding the boat again, and I think we're going somewhere. Maybe somewhere in the middle of the sea. I think we're gonna go diving, maybe, perhaps. I don't know. Don't know yet. We'll see. Dishes.
Hindi, kikain ko.
Parang sila ramen na gano'n. Color. Hello, fishes. Fishes. What's up? Where's Namor? Bring me Namor. Oh.
Isang oras na ako dito. Alam mo na.
Kaya nga. Asa na si Jim? Wala. Kaloob ba yan?
Nandito eh.
Malinaw naman. Ayun o, parang ay joke. Bigla pala yun.
We are going to swim now. We're gonna dive.
Kuha tayo ng goggles na.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's go.
Bumaba silang lahat. Nahanap niya yung ano, gagawin. Hindi ko ako yung isa-isa.
Life vest ka, tapos maganda. Ganda, makikita mo.
Halika, ay, dalawa. Tatakot ako eh. Hindi ba daan to?
Nakawala yung ano.
Sapit ako sa kali.
Sumabit ka? Ay, okay na. Okay na ng jet ski. Nahilang tali niya. Nahilang.
Lamig.
Cheers tayo,
Iba naman na ano.
Parang
Parang bilyard ah.
The master opener.
Ginawang ano.
Yeah!
Professional mang
Hello, little cat. Hello.
At nawala yung pusa. Ayan na. Parang si Juan, ano? Pausin pa na ang pusa. Dati tapatak sa pusa. Pero may mga pusa sa baba.
Hey guys, so we're back at the resort. There. And I think we're done with the sea for today. Yeah, first time trying to drive the jet ski, and yeah, it was so fun. It was easier than I expected, but it was so fun. And yeah, we also did swim with the fishes. I saw a lot of fishes, and yeah, I'm gonna join them later on. Merienda time.
Ay, iba.
Merienda time. Hello, cat.
Si wala yan.
wala yan.
Kaka, guys.
Merienda time. Finish. Hello, doggy. Hello. Hello. I'm your friend.
I may be climbing on
Hello, little cat. Hello. We're on vacation and she's still working. Grrr. Just chilling and resting here in our room while waiting for our dinner. I don't know what's our dinner going to be. I don't know. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? What would you like to eat?
Something grilled.
Something grilled. Bien po?
Could be, as long as it's grilled. Or sisig.
Sisig.
Yeah. Something boiling hot. Like soup.
Are you freezing? Are you cold? Why?
Because I'm cold.
Dinner time.
Nasa sa gitna.
Dinner time.
Kain na, kain na.
Ano hika?
Sisig.
Diba?
Alam niyo na dito kung ano yung picture niya. Yummers. Alam niyo na kung ano yung mandi na. Yummers. Gusto ko talaga yan. Ito pinayaran natin. Timing. Timing talaga.
Surprise fireworks.
Makapapa niya.
Di ba manok ano? Yung
Okay, I'm walking to go to my mom because I'm gonna get the car keys because I have to move the car. Oh look, should I jump? I think I should jump. Okay, we can just jump. Hey, they're over there. There they are. Tractor. Got the key. Now I have to jump again. To jump this tiny river. Can I make it?
Oo, na-highlight.
Made it. Okay, so it's 10 a.m. and we still have some time to kill. We'll be leaving at 12 noon and we'll be heading to Taal later. And right now we're just chilling and resting. So I'm thinking of maybe jumping back into the pool and take a swim for a little bit. So we're heading back to the boat garage. Gonna check out some boats.
Oo, again, mas gusto niya nang bubuo na lang ng ano,
Boats,
bibili
boats,
siya ng
boats,
outboard
boats,
motor.
boats, boats,
Simple, kaysa yung bibili ka ng mga nasa
boats, boats, boats.
Ito, dito. Makina na lang kailangan yan. Iipit mo na lang dyan, makina sa likod. Ito yung dati namin ginagamit pang drive. Yung sasakay lahat ng gamit. Wala pang cover yan.
Okay, so we're about to leave the rest house now, and yeah, we're gonna visit Taal to visit my ninong's house, and yeah, we're gonna have lunch there. So yeah, we're going. Yummers.
Bukas na doon. Ito yung
Yummers. Yummers.
ganda ng pagkakawa natin. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello.
Pinagpanan din sa labi. Punta ka rin kayo.
Pinakpan na nila. Bakit? Ano yata? Bakit naman?
Wow.
Parang naalala ko yung saan ko nung pinapalinis ako bigla. Hindi kasi, pag nililinis ko pa na may aakyat, hindi naman nag-aakyat.
Ano rin mo, kami ano dyan, kami extra doon, sumasayaw. Dito si Nestor nakatira. Dati si Dante Rivera, dito rin tulog.
Kasi mga... Picture na natin yung bumagir.
Go Gear Classic.
Ay, ito, ang
Ganda na. Ganda ng kahoy, no? Super aged na yun. Super aged. Ganyan TV namin sa Pandakan. So pag binili mo siya dito, kasama yan na yan. Mukha siyang furniture talaga. Oo, buo na yan.
And of course, the Denmark.
Tapos sa Musa, meron silang radyo, component. Ganyan pala ko yan.
Classic
Ganyan
TV.
Para cabinet din.
Or...
Yeah, pag ganyan mo
Oo,
na
nandyan
dyan.
lang siya.
Hindi, parang yung ano,
Sino maalang tumugtog?
model house.
Dito pag may laban sa Pacquiao doon.
Ganda, no?
Dito po masarap mag
Hindi tayo.
Dito tayo, dito tayo.
Ako, ayan.
Sama ka Tita Jo.
Ayan, ayan.
tayo.
Halika, halika. Ayan.
Felipe Agoncillo. Encarnacion. Almost there. There's this church. Okay, we're gonna go check out the church. We're gonna visit the church and this. Later, we're going to hunt for a balisong because we're looking to buy a balisong. You know, I think there's a wedding going on right now, but I think we're still going in. Here we go, balisong time. Karambit.
Ay, sige nga, balutin natin. Mag-exam ko.
Katana. Kukri. They even have a Chris sword. Yung balisong. Balisong, got my own Balisong.
Taal.
Alright, home sweet home at last, and it was a truly fun weekend. We did a lot of things, like it was my first time riding a speedboat, and it was also my first time driving a jet ski. I went like 80 kilometers per hour on that jet ski, and we went swimming. And then on the second day, we went to my ninong's house, his ancestral home, and then we walked through the streets of Taal and visited the Taal church, which is the largest, I believe, the largest church in Asia. And then I bought my very first Balisong. So yeah, I'm a proud owner of a Balisong now. And yeah, it was a truly fun weekend, and I need to rest because I'm tired. We had a lot of fun. We did a lot of things, and now I'm tired. So I'm gonna rest now. And yeah, till next time. Bye bye.